Hello guys, how to fix application error 0xc0000906 on Windows PC. A few users when trying to run the application on their system encounter the error application error. And to fix these issues, the main reason behind this error is any corrupted file system or any interruption of third-party antivirus. Then the first workaround is go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode, and here execute the sfc command as well as dism tool. Type sfc space slash scan now and press enter. It will scan your system. Let the Windows complete the process. When the process is completed, thereafter execute the dism tool. These are three tools as is shown on a screen: dism, restore health check, scan health and restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one followed by enter key. Press enter on H command after enter. The second workaround is go to run command Windows, type win plus R shortcut key to open run command and execute appwiz.cpl. It will open control panel, and here look for any third-party antivirus installed in your system. In my case, no any antivirus installed. So if in your system any third-party antivirus installed, simply select it and select it and choose the option uninstall. Click on uninstall and check your application error is resolved or not.